sandwich, y'all. Just came from Popeyes. Heard about the chicken sandwiches, you feel me? Have to get both of them. With a biscuit, ranch, and honey. Alright. So let's look at this one. Whatever this is. This is spicy. Let me show you that. There's some sauce on it. The chicken is actually real big. This is spicy. Get a bite.
Oh, big ass, bite ass, head ass. That was one bite?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it looks like two.
Okay, Popeyes. Y'all been on the map. But, man, it's unexplainable. Like the guy said, the pickles taste like chicken. Okay? And just to let y'all know, I'm gonna lay down. Stop attention. Alright.
Uh-oh.
That's enough for this.
Uh-oh.
That was a spicy one with the red sauce. I just should have tried the original first. But it's all good. All's well, ends well. That's for sure gonna end well. So I think they're dumb and retarded. Did they give you the same two?
I told you they probably gave two.
Oh my gosh.
You didn't check both? I got one plastic right here. And one spicy. You want to take this shit back?
It's crazy because I'm not that type of person, but I feel like I got to because I started my video and I got to do it for the fans. They really did that. I'm not tripping. That's crazy. That's some bullshit. That's some straight bullshit. That's crazy because I said I was going to check them on too. So the video is going to go on pause. Back in action. These motherfuckers got the game fucked up. Man, this one bigger than the last one, it look like. It's the original, y'all. The original. Look, they used to go to my high school. Oh, she with her dad. Let me leave her alone.
I'm glad the arm didn't catch in my picture because it was all like pressing the horn. Look, you don't see you not one bit.
I see this. Look, pickles. Look at this though. Like this is some shit right here. This chicken right here. Like, hey, look at this shit. Like it's just real big. You can just see like, damn. Let me see. Let me just pick this motherfucker up. Damn. I could make 2 sandwiches with this motherfucker. Shit. You know what? I'm gonna make 2. So look, y'all. I'm gonna make 2. I'm gonna rip this right here, this piece of chicken, and put some bread with it at home. But that's only for y'all to know. judge me. I know I'm gonna be hungry later. Dang.
So they're picking the nicest one here.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm going in.
That's it for me. I'm done.
Someone help me. There's some stuff right here, y'all. Let me try out some ranch. See. A1. Put it to A1. There's some shit. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned.